I'm going to cook up some food and I'm going to show you my process. As you can see, I have a small skillet here. I'm just going to take these 3 rocks. It's going to be a very small fire. Okay, so it's about the size. That's basically what I'm going to do. 3 rocks. See? Got a little fire going. Let the coals burn down. Keep adding some more pine cones. And heat some sticks when I get to the point where I'm going to start cooking. On my 3 rock fire pit using this material laying around. I'm going to cook myself some sauteed mushrooms and hamburger meat with some salt and pepper. Maybe I might make sliders. I do have these little rolls. So we'll see. It's very simple. You know? Very simple to cook outdoors. The less ingredients, the better too. These interesting rolls. And my cast iron skillet, freshly cleaned, oiled. A lot of mushrooms. A lot. So I got a stick of butter for that. I'm gonna let them saute down real good. Kind of sort this out a little bit, make sure she burns efficiently. Just building up a nice little thing of coals so that when I start just using regular sticks to control the heat, I can just add 1 or 2 sticks. As you can see, it's smoldering quite a bit because some of these pine cones are kind of damp. Just that knocks all that smoke down, but I don't know, you've got a little tiny fire with kind of damp pine cones, though it looks kind of dry here. There was some snow that was recently on the ground, but every night the ground builds up moisture and soaks into cones. But they're an excellent fuel source. So I'm going to let this burn down, and then I'm going to start cooking. As you can see, I just set the pan on top of some coals, and I'll kind of keep poking around the edges of it. Got half a stick of butter and a bunch of mushrooms here. I'm going to let that just kind of, wish I had a lid, but that should be fine. I'll give you an update once everything's all sauteed. And, you know, I kind of feed little tiny sticks around the edges. Nothing like a little collection, I don't need a lot. Just enough to keep it going. Just sticking that around the edges. And just blow on the corner. just slowly cook itself, you know? And take care of business. And then I have a chub, some hamburger, and just some salt and pepper, man. Maybe make like a mushroom sloppy joe. Put it between buns, but I think I'll pass on that. Well, I'll give you an update. These are cooking up pretty good. Been stirring them around a little bit. I'm gonna add that chub to it, and I'm gonna let it all slow cook slowly. And I'll be keeping adding sticks and everything. It takes a lot longer to cook, but the flavor is gonna be amazing. And give you an update. Once I've loosely crumbled the meat on top of the mushroom butter mixture, I take some black pepper. Give it a nice liberal amount. Plenty, not too much. Salt. There we go. And I'm going to let that sit for a little bit. Then I'm going to turn everything over. Yeah, just keep adding sticks around the sides. Give it a blow. It's getting hot. Gonna move that stuff back in there. The skillet is righteously toasty, as you can imagine. Getting ready to turn some stuff over. See if I can do a wall in the camera. I'm gonna just take the bottom mushrooms and the stuff and give it a quick fold somewhat without knocking out all the ingredients. Go like that. Let it sit. Let's get this thing cooking nice and hot. Now that we got some beef in there at the bottom. And just like that, we can get it ripping. Cast iron will absorb all the heat. Goes around all the sides. Let's go find some more sticks. And she's ripping. She's rolling. It's a very simple meal. I'm gonna cook a while longer. Let me just turn that piece of meat in here. I don't want to play with the meat too much. I'm gonna kind of let everything. Good thing about cooking over coals is I very rarely burn things because everything's a little like everything takes time to heat up. So I can blast the cast iron with a bit of heat, and then it slowly cools down. But I never get it hot enough to where it causes any issues. Alright, signing off. I'll show you when it's done. So it's done, and it's delicious. Something a little controversial. I have a roll here, and you see all that grease and that fat? I'm going to take that peppery with the mushroom flavor. I'm going to eat it. I'm not overweight, I'm skinny. Not skinny, but 37 years old. I guess I don't look too bad for that. Oh. I'll eat my greasy bun in peace and enjoy my meal. Thanks for watching. Alright. Let's put it out on a bun. See if I can actually see anything. Really gnarly hamburger mix. Mushroom explosion. Juicy, drippy, but very mushroomy. Oh. Hot. Alright.